Here's how to navigate the claims process at Step-by-Step Insurance Agency. Step 1. File your claim. Notify us as soon as possible. Be ready to provide the date, time, a description of the incident, and any relevant documents like police reports or photos. Step 2. Our team will review your claim and assess your coverage based on your policy. We'll walk you through the process and answer any questions you may have. Step 3. If necessary, an investigation will be conducted. This might include gathering more information, contacting witnesses, or consulting with experts. Step 4. After the investigation, a decision will be made. You'll be informed whether your claim is approved or denied, with a clear explanation of the outcome. Step 5. If your claim is approved, a settlement will be processed promptly, helping you recover and move forward. At Step-by-Step Insurance Agency, we're committed to making the claims process as smooth as possible, so you can focus on what matters most.